Hi guys, getting ready for my next shoot. Almost gave myself a little heart attack. Okay, this is the traditional way of shooting. Is there any better way? Yes. What if I tell you this tiny thing can replace all of that? Say hello to DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a camera so small yet so powerful. It looks like DJI packed some black magic into this. Alright, let's crack this open and see what DJI has blessed us with this time. First up, the star of the show. Look at this. It's like having a professional cameraman in your pocket, always ready to shoot that 4K, buttery smooth 60 frames per second. A snug little home for a tiny beast, like a sleeping bag, but for cameras. Let's see what's inside this box. Oh yes, obligatory USB cable. Let's be honest, we all have 500 of these lying around, but we'll never find it when we need one. Because DJI cares about your butterfingers, they've included wrist strap. Smart move, DJI. Oh yes, manuals. Let's be real, we're never reading this. Last but not least, a tiny handle with a quarter-inch thread. So now let's talk about why this guy is a vlogger's dream. 1-inch sensor in a small device like this? DJI, are you using any alien tech? Because this is insane for low light videography. 4K 120 frames per second, because why not? Even my dramatic hair flip will look cinematic. Active Track 6, never lose focus. Look at this. It stays better than my eyes on that last slice of pizza. So, should you buy this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 if you're a logger, traveler, or someone who wants Hollywood level of shots without carrying a gym membership worth of gear? Then yes. Alright folks, if you found this unboxing fun and helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any epic content like this. Also, we will come up with the real world review pretty soon, so stay tuned. Until next time, stay creative, stay stable, and keep rolling at 4K 60 frames per second.